Hi, good evening. This is Akshita. I'm with Dr. Mazlan. He's the CEO of REDtone. There is an interesting app called the City app. I would like to know more about the app.
City Act is a citizen engagement application. It's between the local councils and the citizens. What we are facing right now is most of the problems is like, people go out in the city and see a lot of problems. For example, unattended garbage, about illegal parking, potholes, there are flood, landslide, crime happening. So what they need to do is maybe they can capture the problem, and then instantly these reports can be generated and will be sent directly to the local councils. And what the local councils will, after that, they will get the reports and respond it accordingly. So this is the app which they can download from iOS, Apple Store, and also the Android. So there are two versions. Simple app which have a camera, which they can just take a simple photo, for example like this, and from there, it will recognize the place, geotag it, the location of that particular report. Okay. They cannot take the photo from the phone itself. It must be taken
inside the app.
Yeah, inside the app itself. Then they categorize. There's a lot of 15 categories of reports that you can put it. For example, this voluntary, and then they write a short description about the problem, and then they submit it. So it's like 3 clicks, and then you already submitted. So here they will see there are 2 features here. One feature is the map. The map will show all the reports being generated by all the users. So you can see the 2 days report, you can see the last 3 days, or you can see all of the reports. So you see here, you can look carefully here in Malaysia, all of this report. So you can filter it out depending on the categories of the problem, because we don't want to see all. And also you are able to look at individual report, what's happening. For example, like potholes, for example.
That will come along with the photos.
Yes. So these are the photos taken by other people, and you yourself will be you can see your photos. Once you have post the report, people don't have to call back to the local councils what happened to their report, because here they have a feature called history, where you can see all the reports that you have submitted, the number of reports, and from here, for example, you can see whether your reported cases is still there. These have been acknowledged, and then maybe some of the cases have been resolved, or some of the cases have been categorized as false. So you can actually see the individual report and what happened to the particular report, and the local council, how they responded. So it's very fast. So then it reduced the amount of complaints from the users. Instead of calling to the local council or sending SMS, put into the social media complaining, now they have a structured manner in terms of collecting all the complaints from the citizens. That's how we encourage this. And from this kind of data that you see just now, you can do a lot of things where you can see whether some data, whether it's for unattended garbage and dengue cases. So can you correlate whether these dengue cases happen to this place is because the garbage are not being taken care, whether there's maybe the waste management are not properly, or whether you can see whether flash flood and drainage issues. So you can correlate that. So in this manner, you can see whether this information can be made useful to the community and also the local councils. Even the cases of crime happening, so you can see hot zones, areas of crime, so the citizens can avoid the places where the crime is being reported. And also cases where flash flood, so you can broadcast the message instantly, and the users can see they should avoid this particular road. So this is what CityX are.